Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy American English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our friends listening at home, in the car, or at work. It is so wonderful to be here with you again.
It really is. How are you today, Paul? You look very happy.
I am happy, Emily. I am very, very happy. The sun is shining, and I had a great breakfast.
Oh, I love a good breakfast. What did you eat?
I had eggs, toast, and a very big glass of orange juice. It was delicious.
Yum! That sounds like a perfect start to the day. I only had a banana and my coffee.
Only a banana? Emily, you need more energy.
You are right. I am a bit hungry now, but the coffee helps.
It always does. Well, Emily, we have a very interesting topic today, right?
Yes, we do. Today we are talking about our day, our daily routine. We want to show everyone how to talk about the things they do every day in English.
That is a great topic. We all have a routine. We wake up, we eat, we work, and we sleep. It is very useful to know how to say these things.
Exactly. It is simple and very common. But before we start our conversation, Paul.
Oh, yes. Everyone, if you like our stories and our chats, please click the like button right now.
Yes, and please subscribe to Easy American English. We love having you here, and it helps us make more episodes for you.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. If they are learning English, they can listen and learn with us.
Thank you so much. Okay, Paul, let's talk about your day. What is the very first thing you do every day?
The very first thing. Well, I wake up. Usually I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
Impressed. 7:30, that is a good time. Do you use an alarm clock?
I do. I use my phone. But I have a problem, Emily. A small problem.
Oh, what is the problem?
Guilty but smiling, I love the snooze button.
Oh, no, I know that button.
Yes, my alarm goes off at 7:30. I press snooze, then it goes off at 7:40. I press snooze again, then it is 7:50, and finally I get out of bed.
Paul, you stay in bed for 20 minutes.
I know. It's a bad habit. I just love my warm bed. What about you? Do you wake up early?
I do. I'm a morning person. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. No snooze button for me.
Imagine, 6:30. Wow, Emily, that is very early. What do you do first?
First, I drink a big glass of water. It makes me feel awake. Then I go for a short walk.
A walk at 6:30 in the morning?
Yes, just for 15 minutes. The air is fresh and the streets are quiet. I love it.
That sounds very nice. I don't walk in the morning. I go straight to the kitchen.
Guessing for your breakfast?
Amused. No, first for my cat. My cat Toby is always very hungry. He waits for me by his bowl.
Ah, yes, Toby. How is Toby today?
He's fine, but he was a bit funny this morning.
Concerned? Why? What happened?
Telling a story. Well, I walked into the kitchen and Toby was not there. I looked under the table, no Toby. I looked behind the sofa, no Toby.
Gasping softly. Oh no, was he lost?
Laughing. No, I found him in the cupboard. He was sitting next to the cat food. He was waiting for me to open the door.
He is a very smart cat. He went straight to the source.
He did. He looked at me like he was saying, "Paul, you are late. Feed me."
Poor Toby. So after you feed Toby and eat your breakfast, what do you do next?
I take a shower and I get dressed. Then I start my work. I work at my computer.
Do you work at home every day?
Mostly, yes. I sit at my desk, I open my laptop, and I check my emails. What about you? Do you go to an office?
No, I work from home too, but I don't start work immediately. First, I clean my house a little bit.
You clean every morning?
Just a little. I wash the dishes from breakfast and I make my bed. I cannot work if the house is messy.
I understand that. My desk is often very messy. There are pens, papers, and coffee cups everywhere.
Oh, Paul, you need to organize your desk.
I try, Emily, I really do, but I get busy and I forget.
Well, that is okay. We all have our own way. So you check your emails. What do you do after that?
I write. I write stories and I plan our podcast episodes. It takes a lot of time. Sometimes I write for 3 or 4 hours.
Wow, that is a lot of writing. Do you take breaks?
I do. Around 11 a.m. I stop. I stand up, I stretch my arms, and I make some tea.
Tea is good. I prefer coffee in the morning, but in the afternoon, I like tea.
Yes, I have a funny micro story about my tea today, actually.
Oh, tell me.
Well, I made my tea and I put it on my desk. I started writing again. I was very focused. Then I reached for my tea and I picked up my pen jar by mistake.
No, did you try to drink the pins?
Almost. I put the jar to my mouth and then I realized, wait, this is not my tea. These are pens.
Oh, Paul, that is so funny. You were very focused on your work.
I was. I felt a bit silly. I looked around to see if anyone saw me, but I was alone.
Just you and Toby. Did Toby see you?
Toby was sleeping on the sofa. He didn't care about my pens.
Well, I'm glad you didn't drink a pen. That would be a very bad morning.
Definitely. So, Emily, what do you do for lunch? Do you cook a big meal?
No, not usually. For lunch, I usually have a salad or a sandwich, something light and fast.
Me too. I usually have a ham and cheese sandwich. It's easy to make.
Do you eat at your desk?
Sometimes, but I try to sit at the table. It's better to take a real break.
I agree. I always go outside for lunch if the weather's nice. I sit in my garden for 20 minutes. It helps me relax.
That sounds lovely. If you're still listening, everyone, comment daily routine below. We want to know you are here with us.
Yes, please do. We love your comments.
So, Emily, after lunch, does your routine change?
A little bit. In the afternoon, I usually have meetings. I talk to people on the computer. We talk about new projects.
That's true. Meetings can be long sometimes.
They can, but I like talking to people. It makes the day interesting.
That's true. I usually do my active work in the afternoon.
Active work like what?
Well, I record audio or I edit videos. It's different from writing. It's more fun for me.
I see. And do you finish work early?
I try to finish at 5 p.m., but sometimes I work until 6.
6 is not too late. What do you do when you finish work?
I shut down my computer and I say, goodbye, work.
That is a good feeling.
It is. Then I usually go to the gym. I like to exercise in the evening.
Oh, wow. I exercise in the morning, but you like the evening. Why?
It helps me forget about work. When I lift weights or run on the treadmill, I feel strong and happy.
That is great. I prefer yoga. I do yoga in my living room. It is very quiet and peaceful.
Yoga is good too. I am not very flexible, so yoga is difficult for me.
It takes practice, Paul.
Maybe you can teach me one day.
Of course. We can do a yoga episode.
Oh boy, that would be funny. Paul tries to touch his toes.
I would love to see that.
Okay, so after the gym, I go home and I cook dinner.
What do you usually cook?
I like simple things. Pasta with tomato sauce or chicken with rice. Do you cook every night?
Most nights, yes. I love cooking. Tonight, I am making a vegetable soup. It is very healthy.
Soup is perfect for a cozy evening. Do you watch TV after dinner?
Sometimes. I like watching documentaries or old movies, but I also like to read.
What are you reading now?
I am reading a book about history. It is very interesting, but a bit long.
I like reading too, but usually in the evening I play video games for a little while.
Video games? Really, Paul?
Yes, it is fun. I play with my friends online. We talk and we play together. It's a good way to socialize.
That sounds fun. I didn't know you were a gamer.
Just a little bit. It's my way to relax.
Well, everyone has a way to relax. For me, it's a hot bath and a good book.
That sounds very relaxing, too. And what time do you go to sleep?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I like to get 8 hours of sleep.
10:30? That is perfect. I go to bed a bit later, around 11:30.
10:30. Paul, if you go to bed at 11:30 and wake up at 7:50, you only get 8 hours. Wait, that is actually good.
Yes, I told you. My snooze button gives me the extra time.
Okay, you win.
But I have another small mistake to tell you about. This happened yesterday evening.
Oh, what happened?
I was getting ready for bed. I went into the bathroom to brush my teeth.
Okay, that is normal.
Yes, I picked up the tube, I put it on my toothbrush, and I started brushing. But it tasted very strange.
Strange. Like what?
It tasted like flowers.
Flowers? Paul, what was it?
I looked at the tube. It was not toothpaste. It was my hand cream.
Oh no, Paul, you brushed your teeth with hand cream?
Yes, I was so tired I didn't look at the tube. It was white. The hand cream was white. It looked the same.
That is terrible. Was it disgusting?
It was very bad. My mouth was full of soap and flowers. I had to wash my mouth for 10 minutes.
Oh, Paul, you are so funny. You really need to be careful.
I know. Now I keep the hand cream in the bedroom and the toothpaste in the bathroom. No more mistakes.
Good idea. Very good idea.
So, Emily, that's my day. It's a bit busy, a bit funny, and a bit messy.
It sounds like a great day, Paul. My day is a bit more organized, but I like it.
Everyone's day is different, and that's okay.
Exactly. The important thing is to have a routine that makes you happy.
Yes, that is true. Well, Emily, we talked a lot today. We should remember what we said.
Good idea. Let's do a quick recap of our conversation.
Okay, so we talked about waking up. You wake up early at 6:30, and I wake up eventually around 7:50.
Yes, and we talked about breakfast. You have a big breakfast and I have a small one.
And we both work from home. We check emails and do our projects.
And we learned about your cat, Toby. He likes cupboards and breakfast.
Yes, he does. And we talked about exercise, gym for me and yoga for you.
And don't forget your funny mistakes, drinking pins and brushing your teeth with hand cream.
Yes, those were not my best moments, but they were funny.
They were. And we talked about our evenings, cooking dinner, reading, and playing video games.
It was a very full day. I feel like I know your routine very well now, Emily.
Me too, Paul. It was fun to share.
It really was, and I hope our listeners learned some new ways to talk about their own days.
I hope so too. Remember, everyone, you can use simple words to describe your routine. I wake up, I eat, I work, I relax.
Yes, it doesn't have to be complicated. Just tell your story.
Exactly. Well, Paul, I think it is time to say goodbye for today.
Oh, already? Time flies when we are talking.
It always does.
Well, everyone, thank you so much for listening to us today. We hope you had fun.
Yes, thank you. And please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Easy American English.
And give this video a big like. It helps other students find us.
And now we have a question for you. In the comments below, tell us, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Yes. Do you drink coffee? Do you check your phone? Do you talk to your cat?
We want to know. We love reading your stories in the comments. It is our favorite part of the day.
It really is. Reading your comments makes me very happy.
Me too. Well, thank you again, everyone.
Yes, thank you. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye. See you soon.